And through Russell, we're going to gain a new look at both female and male characters. Particularly, his first companion he's going to invent is Rose. And Rose is very strong. We'll talk about how in a minute. We're going to have Martha Jones, who happens to be one of my favorite companions, and I'll explain why, because I know there's some people don't like Martha and how she was treated. I think Martha was actually stronger than people are giving her credit for. Then Donna Noble, who was just a friend, and there's a whole discussion about the idea that women didn't have to be a sexual or a partner companion. They could just be friends, as if maybe y'all actually have friends who are of the opposite sex. Really? That's possible? I don't know, right? But that was a new thing. And of course, Captain Jack Harkness, who was the first openly gay, but also omnisexual. He'd had sex with women, men, aliens, you name it, he was good for it. And that was an interesting thing to be said on a television program, right? And he is just so gorgeous, what can you say?